Hey folks, check it out. We have got some black walnut. We are going to make ourselves a cutting board. We've got some sandpaper, and let's get it done. Come on. Don't forget, we're going to get them edges all around in there. Going to make it smooth. Ooh, like silk. Mama Em is not gonna like what I've done to these scissors. Well, she gonna like the food, but she ain't gonna like what I've done to these scissors. Indeed, I thought this would be a great time, by the way, to thank you, my subscribers, for supporting me. I wouldn't have a channel if I didn't have my supporters and my subscribers. So I want to thank you, get that out of the way, and hey, let's get back to making a cutting board. Look at that, so sexy. See that? See that? You gotta be smooth with the tools. Well, there you go. Hey, listen, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Remember, keep your shutter shaking. See ya.